Need to spread out your tuition payments? Enrolling in a payment plan at WT takes just a few minutes. First, head to wtamu.edu and log into Buff Connect. Once you're logged into Buff Connect, click Buff Advisor. Click Student Finance. In this tab, you will be able to see your account summary. Click Make Payment/Payment Plan, then click Continue to Payment Center. You will be redirected to our Secure Student Payment Center TouchNet. If it's your first time in TouchNet, you'll review important info like the Financial Responsibilities Agreement and the GradGuard tuition insurance. Click Enroll in Payment Plan. Select the term you'd like to enroll in a payment plan for. WT offers 3 payment plan options, all calculated before or after financial aid posts. The first is the 4-month installment payment plan A. Your payments are calculated before financial aid is applied. Aid will help you cover your first installments. Then the 4-installment payment plan B. Your payments are based on your remaining balance after financial aid is applied. And then the 5-installment payment plan. You make 5 equal payment plans starting before the semester begins. Let's walk through Payment Plan A, the 4-month payment plan based on your full balance before aid is posted. Here you'll see a preview of your payment schedule. It's important to thoroughly go through this information before completing your enrollment. Select an option to set up automatic payments, then press Continue. Now you'll see your payment plan agreement. This gives you a breakdown of the cost of your monthly installments. Here we can see that each installment is $348.61. And the due date of each installment is the 1st of each month, beginning in September and ending in December. Once you have thoroughly reviewed this information, check the box that says I agree to the payment plan agreement. Then press Continue. You have now officially enrolled in a payment plan. If you still have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the WT Business Office.